In this video, I would like to show you how you can hide your profile picture or DP from a specific persons or group of person in WhatsApp. First thing first, click the WhatsApp app in your gadget. Click the upper right side three dotted icon in the WhatsApp. Scroll up to where you have setting option. Scroll up to where you have privacy. Move to where you see who can see my personal information. Choose your profile picture and exempt a contact which you don't want it to see your profile picture. Then first I limit mine and see if the profile picture will disappear. So I have clicked it. Let me click the option OK, and that is it. I've been excluded from seeing the profile picture. I can also choose multiple contacts in my WhatsApp which I don't want them to see my profile picture and click OK. Let me confirm using GB WhatsApp in my gadget which I've registered with different contacts. Let me see if the contacts have been hidden for me. The profile picture have been hidden for me, sorry. You see, I cannot see the profile picture, though in the side of Messenger WhatsApp I have a profile picture, but in my side I cannot be able to view it. That is the simple way how you can hide your profile picture in WhatsApp for specific and certain contacts. Thank you.